Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump cue effectively. A jump cue is a specialized tool in pool that allows you to elevate the cue ball over other balls, clearing obstacles on the table. This shot is essential when you have no clear path to your object ball, providing a strategic advantage. Mastering this technique requires understanding the fundamentals of grip, stroke, and cue ball contact. We will cover all these aspects to help you execute successful jump shots consistently. To begin, let's focus on your grip and stance. Hold the jump cue with a firm yet relaxed grip, ensuring you have full control without tension. For your bridge hand, form a short, compact bridge, often a fist or a V-shape, positioned about 6 to 8 inches from the cue ball. Your stance should be slightly elevated, allowing for a downward striking motion. This setup provides the stability and leverage needed for a powerful and accurate jump shot. Now let's execute the jump shot. The key is a short, sharp stroke, driving the cue tip downward through the cue ball. Aim for the top 1/4 to 1/2 of the cue ball, depending on the desired jump height. Your cue stick should be angled upward, typically around 45 degrees, to facilitate the lift. Remember to follow through minimally. The cue ball's natural reaction will cause it to jump. Practice this motion to find your ideal contact point. To refine your jump shot, keep these tips in mind. Avoid hitting too low on the cue ball, as this can lead to a miscue or an illegal scoop. Practice regularly with varying angles and distances to build your confidence and precision. Begin with shorter jumps and gradually increase the challenge as your skill improves. Remember, consistency in your stroke and contact point is paramount for mastering this advanced technique. Keep practicing, and you will see great results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.